So in today's video, we're going to look at data types in VBA. So I have here quite a number of data types that are available in VBA. There's actually more than this. We're going to go over some of the major ones today just to look at those. So let's start off with Boolean. So this is true, false, yes, no, -1, 0, whatever you want to assimilate with it. But within the code, it's actually -1 and 0 is how it will actually be displayed. And so this is just being able to switch between kind of on and off, right? True and false. So this is useful. You could store this into a string or something else, but having a Boolean can be very useful sometimes. Integer. So this is a number between -32,768 and +32,767. This is limiting a lot of times because when you're doing, especially if you're doing like a row number or something like that, 32,000 is actually not a very big number, depending on what you're dealing with. A long is a much higher number, so this is about 2.1 billion. So this is a much larger number. Often I will convert a lot of my old integer things into longs, especially if I'm dealing with old spreadsheets that only had a few thousand rows on them, and now they have a few 100,000 rows on them. I convert those into longs. Singles and doubles are pretty similar. They're very, very large numbers with decimals. I've used doubles quite a bit instead of longs, especially because a long is an integer and double is not. There is also, however, decimal. So decimal goes up to 28 places to the right of the decimal. I have read articles that say that decimal is more accurate with double, and with double you can have rounding issues. I have personally never seen that issue with double, but I guess it could happen. And then currency is just 922 trillion, it looks like. Yep, trillion, negative to positive with 4 digits after that end. You have date, which is obviously pretty normal. Object, and we're going to look at that in a second. Variant is something, we're going to have a whole nother video on that. And then string. So string would be where you would store an alphanumeric string. So something like that, and that can be up to 2.1 billion characters, so very long. So let's just take a look. So when you are creating your variable, so here I've got dim string str task, the name of the string or the name of the variable does not matter, and then as, and then you will get a whole bunch of choices. So anytime you see, so if I type in byte, you'll see this little image here. That shows you that that is a built-in type of a variable. So we've got byte, long, string, integer. So all of these are available. Object. But there's other ones you can use. So sometimes you'll want to set this, again, the name doesn't matter, but just to keep our head straight. So worksheet 1 as worksheet. So you can actually set the variable to something other than just one of those typical ones. So, but objects, or you can use an object in this case. So you can use worksheet or object. The point is that it doesn't just have to be those ones that we just had up. And again, there's actually others as well, a few others as well. But these are like the main ones. By the way, byte I've never used in my life. But I just wanted to show you that there is also a way to set the variable to be something other than just string, integer, Boolean, things like that. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.